Nick, I would point you over to NuLeaf to use as an example of what elements should be present, right? You've got big, bold image products right here, okay? There's a clear button above the fold that says Shop Now, but it also has the feature benefit, just one at a time, depending on, this is a heavily modified and advertising, but this part right here, elevate your health. That part right there can change based on different aspects of the advertising, but it labels a very clear benefit to the product right there above the fold. Then you have high-grade hemp extracts, right? And that's, of course, if you want to inspect that, that's an H1 element, okay? Premium cannabinoid, wellness. Then you scroll down a little bit more, and on the front page, you've got a product with let's see. You've got an H3 tag right there that says exactly what this is, okay? And then you can go down there and view all, okay? But again, we're talking about the front page here. It goes down and it says another one with visual offset there of going back and forth to keep the reader's eyeball moving. But then you have another product right here that's clearly labeled for search engines. But then you've got a call to action button right here, right? You've got the reviews from Yotpo. You've got the number of reviews, and then you've got a very distinctive description right here that leads the reader to want to click this button. Okay, keep scrolling down. A few more products, but then look at what's right here. This is a brand consumers trust. We've been committed to bring our customers the highest grade organic cannabinoid products. And it goes and it tries to build that confidence with the consumer. So that's another good element to have right there on the front page. Again, you're not just listing out the products to make a shop page on the very front of the site, right? Just like when you walk into Walmart or something like that, you've got signs clearly labeled all over the store that say, hey, look, come over here, come over here, come over to this area. So it's very much designed like a retail normal shopping experience would be. Okay, then you've got a few features and benefits of the company. Again, you're building that trust and building that confidence in the customer to shop on your site. So it's a very good example of what to do on the home page, right? You've got your FAQs. There's a small slider. One of the biggest mistakes is people put hundreds of sliders. I'm not kidding. Sometimes hundreds on the front page. And you don't want to do that. You want to have just these consumer confidence building items here that you can build trust with the customer. So that's a very good example of a homepage. You've got the, down here you've got the accessibility issues and things like that. And then you've got, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Across the top you've got five main menus. It's not completely overwhelming and bloated. You've got a phone number clearly labeled, contact info clearly labeled, log in and register, and you've got the cart and a big bold feature benefit, again, right here in the center of this top bar here. Again, it's an example of exactly what to do it's a good example of what not to do, but that's a huge rabbit hole of overwhelming customers with all kinds of products and options and sliders and things like that. That's not. The goal of the homepage is to get them to further travel in your store.